In a peaceful meadow filled with colorful flowers, there lived a cheerful little bunny named Benny. Benny was known for his bright, fluffy fur and his love for adventure. He loved hopping around the meadow, but there was one thing he longed for: to discover the secrets of the enchanted forest that bordered his home. One sunny morning, Benny decided it was time to explore the mysterious forest. "Today is the day!" he exclaimed, twitching his nose in excitement. His best friend, a cautious turtle named Tilly, looked worried. "Are you sure, Benny?" "The enchanted forest is filled with strange creatures and hidden magic," she warned. Benny, feeling brave, replied, "That's exactly why I want to go. I want to see the wonders for myself." With a reassuring nod from Tilly, the two friends set off towards the forest. As they entered the shade of the tall trees, Benny's eyes widened in amazement. The forest was unlike anything he had ever seen. Glowing flowers, sparkling streams, and colorful butterflies danced around them. As they ventured deeper, they came across a shimmering pond. "Look, Benny," Tilly pointed. "There's a frog sitting on a lily pad. Maybe he knows something about the forest." The curious bunny hopped closer. "Excuse me, Mr. Frog. Can you tell us about the secrets of this forest?" he asked.
The frog, named Freddie, smiled and replied, "Ah, the secrets of the enchanted forest are not just tales. They are challenges. To uncover the magic, you must complete 3 tasks. Are you brave enough?" Benny's heart raced with excitement. "Absolutely. What do we need to do?" Freddie explained the first task: to find a rare flower that blooms only at noon. Benny and Tilly searched high and low until they spotted the radiant flower atop a hill. With teamwork and determination, they reached it just in time. "One down, 2 to go!" Benny cheered. The second task was to solve a riddle from a wise old owl. They found the owl perched on a branch, and after some thoughtful pondering, Benny correctly answered the riddle. "You're clever!" the owl hooted, granting them passage to the next challenge. The final task required them to help a family of lost fireflies find their way home. With Benny's speed and Tilly's wisdom, they guided the tiny creatures through the forest until they were safe, back in their cozy glow. Having completed all 3 tasks, Freddie the Frog appeared once more, clapping his webbed hands. "Congratulations, brave bunny and wise turtle. You've uncovered the magic of the enchanted forest. The real secret lies in your friendship and courage." With newfound confidence and a heart full of joy, Benny realized that the adventure was not just about discovering magical places, but about the bond he shared with Tilly. They returned home, proud of their achievements, and the meadow felt even more vibrant after their adventure. From that day on, Benny and Tilly continued to explore together, knowing that as long as they had each other, every journey would be filled with magic.